Hey folks, I'm sure you guys know about these little plastic panels that are found underneath your car, on the side of your car, maybe by the wheel wells that go around the wheels. They're held on with these little tiny plastic clips. Just want to show you, if you go to Lowe's, they do sell them. They're in a drawer. This is a brand name, Hillman. This is a 7/16 size, all right? So there's a little bigger. There's all different sizes. They have these in a different size, and they have these in a different size. This is actually the lock pin itself. So basically how these things work, after they fall off, of course. If not, you can remove them. What you need is a little tool or a little pair of diagonal cutters or screwdriver. I'll show you the proper tool. This here is a proper tool. Looks like a little door panel clip tool. Basically, you're just going to slide it under here, all right, or your side view, and you just pop this up. When you pop this up, it removes the pin that's riding inside the middle, and it allows this piece here to be compressed, and you pull it out of the hole that it's sitting in, okay? So that's the whole idea of it. Now to install it, you leave the pin out, stick this part into the hole, okay, that's how it works. It spreads out. You're going to squeeze it in, stick it into the hole, and when you push this part in, it is going to compress and spread this out. So now, you can't even squeeze it that small anymore. All right, so that's basically how this basic clip works. Okay, you can see it's squeezing in like that. Once you stick it into the hole, you squeeze this up and in, and it spreads it out like that and makes it nice and tight. All right. These are roughly around, I'm going to say $1 a piece. You can get them cheaper. You can buy it in the whole package. Buy just the size that you need. These are the ones that just lock on. These are great. All right. Plus they have the other one that looks like a little Christmas tree. Those basically just push in and push out. But when you pull them out, they get damaged. They are shot. All right. And that's it. I'm going to show you my friend's panel that fell off on her car. All right. Thanks for watching.